Where's that warning is?
Damn, look, you can see the tornado in it.
There's another one on the other side, right? Where's the other line?
Where?
First time in my life.
There's actually a tornado here. Yeah. Look, it's disappearing.
Oh
Looks like a rainbow,
God.
but with no color.
It got bigger.
Damn. For real. Fucking damn, that's a big ass one. Damn.
You sure it's not gonna hit us?
He's what if it came just like, oh, they gotta go. Run, gotta go cover in the shack. Keep covering the shack. Fuck, come back out, the shack's all fucking thrown around. Damn.
That's crazy.
It's all cool.
It's not cool.
Big ass thick tornado, bro. Big ass tornado. It started as a small skinny one and then it got big, yeah.
I should put it on